Yeah, I was doing the exact same thing and it wasn't going to change until I changed. My weight was heavy, stress was heavy, there was a lot of mental fog, motivation was low. The sleep was so bad, I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to sleep. A lot of effort had to go into just getting out of bed and just doing things that I need to do as a father, as a business owner. I had tried other places. They didn't feel as intimate and as involved. It was just more of a business transaction, it felt like, versus someone that's genuinely invested in your results and in the total health of where you're at. The thing that was different is that you sat down and said, look, there's some behavioral changes that have to do and some mindset things that you have to address. You were real with me. I realized once I decided to make that switch mentally and start the discipline that you had described that was needed and some of the changes that were needed, that's when I really understood this is not a temporary thing. So I wanted to change. I'm stronger and I feel better. I can run with my wife, start with 2 or 3 miles, sleep so much better, so much easier. I'm 47 now and I'm in better shape than I was when I was 22 years old. I feel different.